convo. I'm already getting onto the ship. You excited?
So excited. Party.
Perfect. About to be on right now. Here we go. First steps on the ship. Let's go. Hey, Jesus. Welcome to our room. We're on the 8th deck and forward. So let's show you guys a standard interior room. So when you walk in, we got extra decorations because it is my Bachelorette cruise. So obviously when you walk in, you have a nice large closet. And then we have the bathroom on the other side, which is a decent size. I haven't been to a room yet that has a shower like that that's circular. So that's a really nice. I think it uses the space wisely. And this is just the main cabin space. I'm super excited about this couch. I haven't been in a room with a couch. I think that's a nice addition. Normally it's just a chair. So this is a very good utilization of the space. You obviously have like a desk, makeup space. You have the cups that are included in your drink package. If you get the soda or alcoholic drink package, you get a cup. We have a lockbox, some additional storage up here, lots of storage down here. Oh, a cooler, a little fridge, so you get a little fridge, lots of drawers, things like that, and then just our little twin beds, which matching side tables. So awesome use of space in here. I'm super excited. This cruise is going to be amazing. Let's get back to the Lido and enjoy what's going on. Woo! Fantastic first day on this cruise ship. I have had an amazing time exploring it and seeing some fun things tonight, like the ice skating show with the drones. That was crazy. We watched the balloons drop at midnight tonight. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed. Tomorrow is the perfect day at Coco Cay. So excited for that. We have a cabana there, so look forward to the next video, which will include our Coco Cay adventure. I'll see you guys in the next one at Coco Cay. Bye, guys.